Hello, guys. Today I'm going to cover a very important question, that is, tell me about yourself and tell me about your project. A question that reflects your confidence, a question that reflects your work. I'm a QA, so I'll be talking about myself. You can correlate. My name is Ankur Raj. I'm having 4.2 years of experience in manual and automation testing. I have done OCJP certification as well as Google Analytics certification. Currently, I'm working for XYZ organization, and I have been working on different domains like banking, e-commerce, financial, etc. The current project holds e-commerce domain, and in my past, with my last organization, I have been working over banking domain project as well. As a tester, I'm having a good experience on writing test cases, test scripts, maintaining different bug tracking tools like Jira, HPALM, and I'm having a good knowledge of Selenium with Java for the implementation of test scripts, where we have used test and annotations for assertion, grouping, and parallel execution of test scripts. We are using Selenium Grid as well. And recently, I have automated the major portion of payment gateway, where and which saves our a lot of time to perform the regression testing. I'm having a basic understanding of web services and API testing as well. And let me tell you about my project in brief. So basically, my project is on data-driven framework. We are using actually data-driven framework by using page object model pattern with page factory. And as per page object model, we have maintained a class for every web page. Each web page have separate class, and that class holds the functionality and member of the web page. We have separate package for the pages and test. All web page related classes comes under pages, and all test related classes comes under test package. Here I can show you. This is my project presentation. This is the structure. This is the pages where we have maintained different pages, and all pages are having the locators and every single thing, whatever we are using, the action which we are performing. And for all pages, we have the separate test class. And test class I can see here. Yeah. So this is my test class. For all web page, we have a separate test class. We have followed page object model. Now we have a test base class which have all the common function which have been used by all the pages, like initializing the web driver, implicit weights. We are setting implicit weight. We are using extend report, taking up a screenshot, and we are using cross project testing with the help of browser stack as well. So that's what everything we have done in the test base class. These are the test engine notations which we are using. uh, After shoot, before shoot, after method, before test, parameterize, consider whatever we are passing it up here. We have a properties file as well, that is config.property, and that config.property actually it have all the information that remains constant throughout the application, just like URL, just like the password, just like the environment where we are testing. And since I told you that I'm using data-driven framework, so we have used test data for passing the input at our UI, and we have used Apache POI to handle it. We are using test and generation as just I right now have shown you for assertion, grouping and parallel execution. We have built our application over Maven, and we are using Git as a repository to store our scripts. We are using Jenkins for generating the report, executing it, periodically executing it. And here we have the XML as well for test and execution. If I just want to exclude some of the test methods which I don't want to include while performing the execution, so that I can do from this part of code actually. And apart from that, if I'll get a privilege to work over BDD framework as well. So I am having an experience of using BDD framework as well. So the project structure will remain same. We just need to add some line in our introduction that we will be having a feature file. We will be having a separate runner. We will be having a separate all the. So time is ending up. That's it. Thanks for listening.